Hey guys, what's up? Today we have a relatively large unboxing. I have three things that I'm unboxing today, and there are three cubes that hopefully I will enjoy. So yeah, stay tuned. And all right, let's get into this first one here. I'm sure by the title you could already tell what this one's probably gonna be. I think this is the Rubik's Speed Cube. I'm just trying it out. I don't think it's gonna become like my main or anything, but you know, just trying out a new thing. And I do like how Rubik's is trying to come out with new ways to like better their company, to taking steps to you know, a better cube. And hopefully it's good. And yep, I was right. This is the Rubik's Speed Cube. Okay, so here it is. Whoop, sorry about that. Alright, so here's the packaging. I got the Pro Pack. So it comes with the cube, some lube, some springs. I think those are washers, extra washers, little screwdriver, and that stuff. So let's get into it. I'm not expecting this to be all that great, but I have seen some videos, like Red VK unboxed it. He said it wasn't bad. Me, myself, and Pie unboxed it. He said it wasn't bad either. So much packaging is happening right now. Okay. Let's get into this. Is there a tape around it? Nope. There's not. This costs about 16 bucks on Amazon, which isn't bad. So, and I do like how there's embedded tiles in it. That's pretty nice. It feels like a good size in my hand. Here's a size comparison. The Diane Sanchi. Whoop. The Rubik's brand is like, actually they might be the exact same size. Nope, Rubik's is just a tad bit smaller. You can barely see it, but it is a tad smaller. So, let's put this. So I'm just putting the cap on the loop. Okay. Here's a little screwdriver. That's nice. The Rubik's stand is the same as always. So let's move on to first turns. Wow, that actually turns a lot better than I expected. Now it doesn't corner cut 45, but corner cutting is alright. It seems a bit tight right now. I'm gonna have to loosen that up. Do a little work on it, and you know, we'll see how it gets. Boo. Yeah. So caps do come off. The cap's actually it's really cold right now, so it's probably gonna be a bit harder to get on there since it's like frozen just about. It was outside not too long ago, and it's really cold outside. So yeah, actually, I'm surprised how well that turns. It's really smooth. It's trying to pop out a piece. There we go. Oh wow, that's different design. It's interesting. I don't think you're gonna have any problems with this popping, as far as I know. There's the core. The core is like a ball. I've seen videos of that. Yeah, so this like locks into itself, I believe, and I think that's just so it doesn't pop. But you know, it's not great, it's not bad. I mean, yeah, it's not bad, it's not great. You know, it's, oh jeez, getting it back in there is a whole nother story. I hope I don't break this thing. It cost me $16. Alright, well, whatever. We'll do all that later. Let's just move all of this out of the way. And let's get into the next box. I believe this is the Shengshou 4x4. I was going to get the Moyu, but the Moyu was quite a bit more expensive than the Shengshou. And Shengshou is a pretty good company overall, so I just decided to go with Shengshou. Oh, no, actually, that surprised me. I thought it was going to be the Shengshou 4x4, but because of the size of the box, like how thick it is, but no, it's the Moyu Aulong, I believe. Is it the Aulong? Yeah, it's the Aulong. I've never tried a Moyu cube. I've never put my hands on one, and I've been waiting to do that. I've been waiting to try these out, because apparently they're becoming a pretty big company, actually. So yeah, there's some outer plastic on this. Where's the... Okay. Okay. So I've heard really good things about this cube. This one, I was going to go and buy the V2, Moyu Aulong V2, but that was more expensive than this one was. Wow, that's really nice. Corner cutting is insane. That's past 45. Wow. I'm very pleased with the turning on this. I don't think I'm really going to need attention too much. There's a piece. I'm sure you've seen a... I'm very surprised it's not lubed at all. Actually, yeah, there is. There's a little bit of lube in there. Whoa. One side's really greasy right here. But, yeah, this is a really nice cube. I love it. This could become my main. Well, probably will, actually. Let's do a size comparison. Roughly the same size as the Zanchi. Let's put that one over there. And let's get into the last box. Now this one is the Shengshou 4x4. I have the 5x5, and I modded my old 4x4. And I've never tried a Shengshou 4x4. I'm sure it's going to be about the same as the 5x5, but yeah, I modded my 4x4, so I need another 4x4, and I'm going to be getting a 6x6 and a 7x7, and then hopefully a 9x9. Then all I need is the 8x8 and 10x10 to complete my collection. So here's the packaging. I can already see all the lube on that thing. Let's just open this up. Pamphlet. And the key. Whoa, it's a bit dirty. Wow, right out of the box, this thing just wants to move. I'm not sure what that is. Yes, it feels quite greasy and a bit cold because, well, it was outside. Oh, wow. That turns really nice. Wow. That feels really nothing like my 5x5 that I have. Let's try and pop the piece out. Yeah, looks just like a 5x5 piece. So I'm gonna try and tension this just a little bit. Let's test the corner cutting. It's alright. It's not the best corner cutting. I probably should have gone with Moyu, but I don't know. I mean, this will do me fine because I don't really speed solve any larger cubes quite like this one. So there's checkerboard. I'm not exactly sure how to do the checkerboard where you pretty much checkerboard the whole thing. It feels really It feels kind of unstable though. That's the thing. I mean, it feels nice. Like, it's smooth, a bit bumpy, but it does feel a little bit unstable. It's really light. I'll tell you that. It's really light. Yeah, so, and this one feels a bit tight as well, so I have to be tensioning all of my puzzles here. I'll probably do a review on all of these soon, so stay tuned for that. I assumed all these would come in the exact same box, but I guess not. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Please tell me if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that. Tell me what you want me to unbox next. Tell me, you know, if you want me to do any solve videos. Tell me if you want me to do tutorials. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, there's all the cubes I got. Yeah, I will see you guys later. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.